Personally, I've never been a vest guy. I just didn't like the way they looked on me. So recently, my wife went out and she bought me a flannel shirt. I like flannel shirts, but also this complementing vest. And basically told me, wear it. So unable to find a way out of this, I decided I was just going to try it out and, take the path of least resistance. To my surprise, I actually liked the vest. Namely because it kept my core warm without the extra layers and allowed me to just move freely. So this year marked Milwaukee Power Tools' 9th season of heated gear, and they continue to put out new products in their collection. Some of the newer additions to the heated gear line is the Axis, AXIS line of jackets and vests. And having a newfound appreciation for vests, I decided that I was ready to try out the Milwaukee heated, it's an M12 heated Axis vest. And while this review mostly focused on the vest, I want to talk about heated gear in general. Milwaukee has upgraded the heating technology of their garments, and they made some garment improvements as well. Basically, they achieved this through firmware and electronic upgrades. So, when choosing outdoor layers for cold temperatures, basically, people often overlook the vest as an option. A vest can basically take the place of heavy jackets without sacrificing warmth, still keeping your range of motion, your limb range of motion available. Vests provide warmth, more warmth than people realize, I think, and help keep your extremities warm as well. And what I mean by that is the body's core temperature is 98.5 degrees. The skin's temperature is around 92, 93 degrees. So when your core temperature starts to drop, the body reduces the blood flow to your extremities and increases the blood flow to your core. And that's an attempt for the body to protect the inner organs. So by keeping your core insulated and warm, blood flow remains constant to your extremities, keeping them warmer. So the Axis vest distributes heat across those core areas, the chest and back. And the heating elements, they are constructed of a carbon fiber heating element, and they're woven in between the exterior material of the vest and a thermal kind of insulating layer. 3 settings, high, medium, and low. The high basically produces a red glowing M12 logo. Medium is blue and white is low. So as far as runtime goes, you guys, in the previous M12 versions, the heat up time first. Let's talk about heat up time. The heat up time was 8 minutes. These new versions are 2.5 minutes. Also new this year that I want to talk about is the charger, the little battery pack charger. Also can be a power source and a charger. You can plug it in to charge it with a USB, and you can also charge your phones off it. Runtime on a 2 amp hour battery, you're going to see 8 hours on low, 5 on medium, 3 on high. And on a 1.5 amp hour battery, you're going to see 6 hours on low, 3.5 on medium, and 2 hours on high. As far as construction clothing goes, the Axis line uses a ripstop polyester. It's lightweight, really compressible, really flexible. I used mostly the vest as an outer shell, and I assume as the temps go lower, I'll use it as an inner mid layer and put something over it. It's decent in the rain. I wore it in the rain. It's a decent windbreak as well. And by the way, all of the heated gear are fully machine washable and dryable. These new units have a quick heat function, which basically allow it to heat up 3 times faster. And it's going to, like I said, distribute heat across the chest and the upper back. The jackets even have a shoulder option. I found them flexible, soft, and comfortable. Some noteworthy features are the zippers are high quality, and the pockets were deep enough storage for hat and gloves, and can be zipped closed, which is important to me. I don't want to lose my gloves. On the heated vest, I found that I did not wear heavier clothing to get warm in the morning. And typically what I do is I bundle up and I start moving, and then I'm starting to shed layers as my body temperature, my core temperature rises. I start to sweat. Don't want to sweat outside. I found myself putting the vest on high, doing my thing, setting up, and then lowering that temperature and even turning it off as I warmed up. The vest runs about $110 for just the vest, and $175 with a battery. Guys, look, these vests, they're going to eliminate the bulky layers of clothing when temperatures drop on us. And it's especially helpful if you're engaged in activities where full range of motion in your arms, you need that and you want to stay warm. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave us a comment. We welcome and enjoy your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. We are also on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you at the next review. Take care.